You can have high blood sugar in your 20s or your 30s. Yes, you heard me right. It is called pre-diabetic state. 1 in 3 young adults in their 20s or 30s are pre-diabetic. And the funny part is 90% of these young adults are not aware that they are pre-diabetic. I don't want to scare you, but this is a serious matter. Don't let the pre in the pre-diabetes deceive you. Pre-diabetes can gradually develop to type 2 diabetes and can equally cause some health challenges like blindness, vision loss, and kidney problems. I know you are surprised. Why is she not talking about farming or peace? Well. I'm a med lab scientist and equally a farmer. So we will incorporate health talks to our subsequent videos. Watch the end of this video to get more facts about pre-diabetes. Hello beautiful people, my name is Priscilla. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Priscilla Business Solutions. In this channel, we'll talk everything about business management, money management, sales skills, entrepreneurship, agriculture, and additionally health talk. Yes, we will incorporate health talks to our channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more insight on how to grow your business. Equally on the notification bell, give us a thumbs up and share my videos. Please share my videos, copy the links and post your Facebook and other social media platforms. In this video, I'm going to share with you facts about pre-diabetes. Yes, the meaning, the symptoms, the risk factors, and how the complications and how to reverse pre-diabetes. Pre-diabetes is high blood sugar level that is higher than the normal range but not high enough to be called diabetes. Without intervention, pre-diabetes can progress to type 2 diabetes within a period of 10 to 15 years. Let me illustrate pre-diabetes using the traffic lights. Yes, the normal blood sugar level can be illustrated using the green sign of the traffic lights, while pre-diabetes is the yellow sign and diabetes is the red sign. Yes, you can gradually move from pre-diabetes to type 2 diabetes if you don't take the necessary precautions. There are many parameters to diagnose pre-diabetics in the laboratory, but one of them is having a fasting blood sugar that is more than 100 milligram per dl. In checking your fasting blood sugar, it must be after at least 8 hours fast. Pre-diabetes is on the rise in young adults, even in teens and children. Symptoms of pre-diabetics: one is increased thirst, frequent urination, increased hunger, fatigue and weakness, blunt vision and headache, then numbness in your extremities, your feet and your hands. Yes, you feel pains and numbness in your hands. Another symptoms is frequent infection and slow healing of wounds, cuts and sores. If you are getting values from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, on the notification bell and leave a comment below. Causes and risk factor of pre-diabetes. One is hereditary. Yes, if you have a family record of type 2 diabetes, that is if you have a parent that is diabetic, that have type 2 diabetes, there is higher tendency that you work in that path. The second risk factor is age. Yes, once you are approaching 40 years or you are more than 40 years, the tendency to develop pre-diabetes is equally high. Another risk factor is having a waistline of more than 35 in females and more than 40 in males. Yes, if you have a waistline, if you use a tape to measure your waistline, if your waistline for a female is more than 35 meters, yes, you have high chances of developing pre-diabetes. Measure at the biggest part of your tummy, because I've seen somebody try to do that measurement wrongly. Yes, measure the bigger part of your tummy, not the flat side, the biggest part of your tummy. Measure it with a tape. If you have more than 40 meters as a man waistline, if you have more than 40 meters waistline as a man, you have higher tendency of developing pre-diabetes. Another risk factor of pre-diabetes is physical inactivity. If you are not physically active, you have higher tendency of developing pre-diabetes. Another risk factor is gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes, yes, this is diabetes that occur in pregnancy. Yes, once you have that, there is tendency that you are working on the high part of developing pre-diabetes and eventually diabetes if it is not reversed. Another risk factor is insulin resistance, and other metabolic disorders can increase the tendency of having pre-diabetes. Further complications of pre-diabetes is cardiovascular diseases. Yes, it can easily cause pre-diabetes can easily cause cardiovascular diseases. Another complication of pre-diabetes is vision loss and kidney problems. Treatment of pre-diabetes. Yes, you heard me right. Pre-diabetes can be reversed. Yes, you can reverse your pre-diabetes, your high blood sugar level, to normal blood sugar level. The three main treatment pattern are lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes involve stop the soda and processed drink intake, and reduce, you heard the word, reduce your carbohydrate intake. Firstly, stop the soda, replace it with water, then reduce your carbohydrate food. Yes, reduce it. The second treatment pattern is weight loss. Yes, exercise more, be more active physically. The third treatment pattern is medication, that's using anti-diabetic drugs. We have come to the end of this video. So let's highlight the point. Please don't forget that 1 in 3 young adults are pre-diabetics, and the funny part is that 90% of these young adults are not aware. They are not informed that they are pre-diabetic. They are not aware. They don't know. They have not done the test before. So rush down to the nearest laboratory close to you and do your fasting blood sugar level. Yes, once it is more than 100 milligram per dl, the lab scientist there will direct you better to tell you if you are pre-diabetic or if you have a normal blood sugar level. Don't forget that progressions from pre-diabetes to diabetes happens within 10 to 15 years, and equally it causes some health issues. And most importantly, progression from pre-diabetes to type 2 diabetes can be reversed. Yes, with lifestyle changes, medication, and weight loss, you can reverse your high blood sugar level to normal at this stage of pre-diabetes. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome to this channel. This is a wonderful space to be. Subscribe. If you got values from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and equally leave a comment below. Thanks, and see you in my next video.